In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert leads in Zoho CRM. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to streamline their sales process and maximize the efficiency of their CRM system. So, let's dive right in and go through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Leads module within Zoho CRM. This is where all your prospective clients, or leads, are stored. It's crucial to ensure that this section is regularly monitored, as it plays a significant role in maintaining the sales pipeline. Next, you need to identify and open the specific lead that you want to convert. Take a moment to evaluate their information to make sure they're ready to transition into other categories in your CRM. Once you've identified the right lead, open their information page. You'll notice a Convert button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This is an important step because it initiates the transition of your lead into a more actionable category. A pop-up window will appear, presenting several options for how you can proceed with the conversion. Here, you'll be choosing what types of records to create. You'll have the option to create a contact and an account, which are generally standard selections in this stage of lead conversion. Additionally, if it makes sense for your business strategy, or if there's a potential deal in the works, you might also opt to create a deal at this point. Make sure to fill in all the necessary fields, like the deal name and stage. These details are vital as they keep your records organized and ensure that your team can proceed with the next steps seamlessly. Inputting the correct information here helps everyone who accesses the CRM understand exactly where this lead stands in the sales process. Another detail you'll need to decide on is where to move any attachments and tags associated with this lead. Assign these to the appropriate new records to keep your document management clean and structured. Once everything is filled out and you're satisfied with the information, click the Convert button within the pop-up window. By doing this, you are transforming the lead into the specified records, which might include a contact, an account, and possibly a deal. This action will simultaneously remove the lead from the list of open leads, helping to keep your CRM tidy and focused only on leads that require attention. Just like that, you've successfully converted a lead in Zoho CRM. It's a straightforward process, but one that significantly impacts how smoothly your sales and account management processes run. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the lead conversion process clear and easy to follow. Happy conversion.